How to fix the problem when it says please provide the missing information first on Aliexpress. Now if you are facing this issue in Aliexpress, that is most probably because you are not providing all of the required details in order to purchase or sell items in Aliexpress. Most of the times it occurs whenever you would like to buy something in Aliexpress but you haven't provided your complete detail such as your location and all of the other information, and in order to fix this you have to enter your location details and credit card details in order to pay very carefully. Now whenever you go to item section, you are gonna see the shipping address at the very top. You just simply need to fill out all of your information regarding your name, phone number, location and post address and all of these things in the very top. If you completely fulfill that very carefully without doing any mistakes, and then you need to enter your payment details correctly as well, and then whenever you tap to place an order, this problem won't occur. Now if you are a seller but you are facing this issue, in that case you need to provide your identity, which is officially recognized by the government, in order to prove your identity, and it will fix the problem completely. I hope this video is informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.